I can take anything in the universe and convert it into something that this model can understand to generate a unique piece of music at that moment in time that is literally unique and has never existed before in the universe.
That's awesome.
What if a full song could be created in just 30 seconds from a single sentence? 30 seconds may sound small, but that is 1,800 seconds of music in just 1 minute of waiting. That is exactly where Lyria 3 from Google DeepMind changes the game. What exactly is Lyria 3? What if a full song could be created in just 30 seconds from one simple sentence? 30 seconds may sound small, but that is 1,800 beats if the tempo is fast enough to keep your head nodding. That is where Lyria 3 from Google DeepMind steps in. It is an advanced AI music generation model that turns text instructions into a complete short song. Not just random background noise, but a track with drums, instruments, vocals, and even lyrics if none are provided. It is built to feel like a musical collaborator, not a machine pressing buttons blindly. The system listens to the prompt, adjusts details, and shapes the overall vibe step by step. Regular users can explore it inside the Gemini app, while developers can work with it using the Gemini API and Vertex AI. Music from a text box sounds simple, but behind the scenes it involves deep learning, pattern analysis, and structured composition. Technology is not just assisting music anymore, it is actively helping create it. Lyria 3 generates around 30-second tracks every time it runs, and each track can include full arrangements like drums, bass, melody, harmony, background instruments, and vocals. If lyrics are not given, the system writes its own, which saves time during early idea stages. A short description such as upbeat pop with catchy chorus can turn into a polished mini-song within seconds. It handles multiple genres like pop, funk, Motown, lo-fi beats, and even short commercial jingles without sounding stiff. The model adapts to mood, tempo, and tone based on how detailed the prompt is. One small change in wording can slightly shift the groove or energy of the track. Unlike older AI tools that sounded robotic, this version focuses on smooth musical flow, so notes connect naturally. The transitions feel intentional rather than stitched together. It does not freeze halfway like someone staring at a blank notebook. No creative block, no awkward silence, just consistent output. Everything starts with a natural language prompt, so simple English instructions are enough to generate music. The more detailed the description, the more accurate the final result becomes, especially when instruments, vocal style, or structure are clearly mentioned. Inside the Gemini app, even image prompts can shape the sound by turning visuals into musical ideas. For developers using Vertex AI, advanced controls like negative prompting help avoid unwanted elements. Features like seeds allow reproducibility, and sample settings generate multiple versions at once. So it is not random guessing, but a system built with real technical control behind every track. One major strength of Lyria 3 is its high-fidelity audio quality, capable of producing 48 kHz stereo wave files suitable for professional use. Each track runs about 30 to 33 seconds, matching today's short-form content style. Multiple variations can be generated in a single request, giving creative flexibility without extra steps. The system focuses on musical continuity, making sure notes and phrases flow smoothly instead of sounding stitched together. Rather than random loops, the music develops with clear structure and balance. Even though the clips are short, the combination of clean sound and smart composition makes them powerful for modern digital content. For everyday users, Lyria 3 is integrated directly into the Gemini app. A description is typed or an image is uploaded, and the system translates that into structured musical instructions. Within moments, a custom track is generated that reflects the requested style. Vocals and lyrics can be included automatically, which adds personality to short clips. There is no need for heavy software installations or complex music tools. The interface keeps everything simple and accessible. This lowers the entry barrier for people who have creative ideas but lack production skills. The process feels quick and smooth, rather than technical and intimidating. Just input, wait briefly, and listen to the output. That simplicity is what makes it appealing to casual creators. Developers can integrate Lyria tools into apps using APIs like the Gemini API and Vertex AI. A related system called Lyria Realtime focuses on low-latency streaming music, allowing continuous generation instead of short clips. It supports live control over tempo, key, brightness, and instruments, which is powerful for games and interactive apps. Music can react instantly when gameplay intensity changes, creating a more immersive experience. While Lyria 3 handles short offline tracks, Realtime enables dynamic sound design that adapts moment by moment. This shift changes how developers approach audio inside digital products.
A key focus of Lyria 3 from Google DeepMind is original creation, not copying existing artists. If a famous name appears in a prompt, the system treats it as general inspiration rather than cloning a voice. Built-in filters compare outputs with existing works to reduce intellectual property risks. Users must follow platform rules that strictly prohibit copyright and privacy violations. These guardrails help protect both creators and rights holders. The goal is to encourage creativity while staying within responsible and legal limits. Lyria 3 builds on improvements introduced in earlier models like Lyria 2 and streaming systems like Lyria Realtime. Previous updates improved lyric alignment and gave better control over tempo and key. This version strengthens language-to-music alignment, meaning detailed prompts translate more accurately into sound. Descriptions of instruments or vocal tone now reflect more clearly in the final output. These improvements came through steady research and refinement, not overnight changes. The third generation represents a more mature and polished stage of the Lyria project. Lyria 3 works particularly well for short, polished music cues. Social media stingers, podcast intros, short ads, and idea sketches are ideal use cases. Content creators can quickly test multiple styles without opening complex software. Teams can prototype musical ideas during brainstorming sessions. Developers can add dynamic sound to apps without hiring full production crews. It speeds up experimentation during early creative phases. When time is limited, fast iteration becomes valuable. It may not replace full orchestras or experienced composers, but it complements them. As a rapid idea generator, it performs efficiently. Quick results can spark new inspiration. In modern content cycles, speed often determines success. AI has already changed text and images, but music has always been more complex because rhythm, harmony, and emotion must align perfectly. Lyria 3 from Google DeepMind shows how far AI music technology has progressed beyond robotic loops. It creates structured mini-songs with real flow and responds to detailed prompts instead of fixed templates. With easy access in the Gemini app and deeper controls for developers, it works for both casual users and professionals. The real shift is not just automation, but creative collaboration, where AI acts more like a partner than a basic tool. That shift could strongly influence how future music is produced and explored. Lyria 3 represents a new phase of AI-powered music creation, delivering short, high-quality tracks with vocals, lyrics, and layered instrumentation. It supports natural language prompts, image inspiration, and structured developer controls through tools like the Gemini API. Strong guardrails help ensure originality while protecting creative rights. Music production is becoming faster and more accessible without removing the human touch. The future may combine human creativity with machine precision in powerful new ways. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.